What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video, I challenged myself to change oil of this Jeep. During making that video, I actually realized how dirty my engine is. Maybe because I took it to a few off-road trips. A lot of the dirt and dust got inside the engine. Yeah, I know someone might say, it is okay, that's just how it should be. But for someone like me, I just can't have it stay like that. So today, we are going to super clean the engine. This is also the first time I do it. I am actually really nervous. I watched a lot of tutorials on what I should do to protect my engine. But it looks like with my Jeep, it is pretty okay. There are just like a few places that I need to cover. But besides that, I should be safe with cleaning it with no matter super clean or water. Okay, let's jump right in. Okay. So there are two parts that we need to clean today. One is the top of the hood. There are a lot of dirt. And the other part is the engine itself. First, I'm going to get rid of the top layer of the dust with a brush and a vacuum. I'm going to use this brush to swipe the dust and use the vacuum to pick it up. This is the vacuum from my vacuum review if you haven't watched it. Although I get rid of the very first layer, there are still a lot of places that's hard to be reached by the brush. If I rub my finger against it, there are still dust on it. So now we're gonna move to our second step. Okay, for the super clean part, I'm going to use this one. I just picked this up from AutoZone. I think any kind of super clean that said it's safe to use on the engine is okay. I'll use this part for especially washing the hood and some bigger part, and this to touch up the small details. Okay. So now my engine is off and it's cold. This part is covered. I should be good to go. Wow, this is so satisfying. Okay. A lot of dirt actually came off at this point. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any suggestion for me, please leave a comment below. And if you're interested in video like this, please subscribe me or give me a big thumb up. I'll see you in the next video.